Welcome to the untamed lands, to the whisper of wind through ancient forests. A howl echoes in the distance, sending shivers down your spine. This is the call of the wild. This is the world of wolves. Join us now as we journey deep into their domain. We will uncover the secrets of these magnificent creatures. Their lives are a tapestry of strength, intelligence, and raw beauty. From the frozen Arctic to dense woodlands, wolves have carved their place in the world. They are both revered and feared, often misunderstood. But today, we seek understanding. Let the adventure begin. Wolves, shrouded in myth and legend. Their piercing gaze seems to hold ancient wisdom. They are the guardians of forgotten tales, passed down through generations. In Native American cultures, they are revered as teachers and guides. In Norse mythology, they are powerful figures, shaping destiny. But beyond the stories lies a truth even more captivating. Wolves are complex social creatures. Their lives are governed by a strict hierarchy, their loyalty to the pack unbreakable. Prepare to be captivated by their world, a world of loyalty, intelligence, and survival. Step into their world. Feel the crunch of snow beneath your feet. Smell the damp earth and pine needles. This is where wolves thrive. From the desolate Arctic tundra to the forests of North America, they have conquered diverse landscapes. Each environment has shaped them, honed their skills. The Arctic wolf, a master of survival in a frozen wasteland. The gray wolf, the largest of its kind, roaming vast territories. The Ethiopian wolf, a rare and endangered beauty. Each species, a testament to the adaptability and resilience of these creatures. Our journey will take us deep into the heart of the pack. We will witness their social structure, their communication, their hunting strategies. We will explore the crucial role they play in maintaining the balance of nature. Wolves are not just predators, they are architects of their ecosystems. Get ready to be amazed by their intelligence, by their ability to communicate through a complex language of howls, barks, and body language. We will dispel the myths and reveal the truth about these incredible animals. Join us as we enter the majestic world of wolves. Wolves, a single species you might think, but the truth is far more intriguing. Across the globe, wolves have evolved into distinct species, each one a testament to the power of adaptation. From the frozen Arctic to the high Himalayas, they have conquered a breathtaking range of environments. Their coats, their size, their hunting strategies, all shaped by the challenges of their surroundings. Their story is a testament to the diversity of life on Earth, to the endless dance between a species and its environment. And within this diversity lies a wealth of fascinating stories. The gray wolf, Canis lupus, perhaps the most iconic of them all. Its haunting howl, a sound that has echoed through human history, inspiring both fear and awe. This is the wolf of fairy tales and legends. The one that stalked Little Red Riding Hood and blew down the houses of the Three Little Pigs. But reality, as always, is far more nuanced. The gray wolf is a creature of impressive size and strength. Its coat, a tapestry of grays, browns, and blacks, provides camouflage in a variety of habitats, from forests to grasslands. Its range once spanned across the northern hemisphere, from North America to Europe and Asia. While human activity has sadly reduced its territory, the gray wolf remains a symbol of wildness and resilience. Venture north now, to the land of perpetual ice and snow. Here, where the sun barely rises in winter, reigns the Arctic wolf. a master of survival in a world of extremes. Its coat, a pristine white, blends seamlessly with the blinding snowscape. Its thick fur and compact build provide insulation against the biting Arctic winds. This is a wolf built for endurance, for navigating a frozen desert. Their prey musk oxen, caribou, Arctic hares. Hunting in this unforgiving environment is no easy feat, but the Arctic wolf, with its keen senses and cooperative spirit, has honed its skills to perfection. In this harsh and beautiful landscape, the Arctic wolf reminds us of the tenacity of life, of the extraordinary adaptations that allow creatures to thrive even in the most challenging environments. Our journey takes us now to the southeastern United States, to the swamps and coastal prairies where a ghost roams. The red wolf, once a common sight, now teeters on the brink of extinction. Smaller than its gray cousin, the red wolf is distinguished by its reddish coat, tinged with black along its back and tail. It is a creature of grace and agility, adapted to navigating the dense undergrowth of its habitat. Hunted nearly to extinction in the 20th century, the red wolf is now the focus of intensive conservation efforts. A captive breeding program and reintroduction efforts offer a glimmer of hope for its survival. The story of the red wolf is a stark reminder of the fragility of nature, of the devastating impact human actions can have on even the most resilient of creatures. But it is also a story of hope, of our capacity to recognize our mistakes and strive to make amends. Our journey now takes us to the forests and mountains of eastern Canada, where a unique melody echoes through the trees. This is the song of the eastern wolf, a creature whose very existence was once shrouded in debate. Larger than the red wolf but smaller than the gray, the eastern wolf possesses a blend of characteristics that long baffled scientists. Genetic analysis has finally revealed its true identity, a distinct species, shaped by the unique conditions of its Canadian home. Its diet consists primarily of deer, supplemented by smaller mammals and even berries. Adaptable and resourceful, the eastern wolf navigates a landscape where human presence is an ever-increasing challenge. Their story highlights the importance of scientific inquiry, of unraveling the complexities of the natural world. The eastern wolf, a testament to the ongoing process of discovery, reminds us that there is still so much to learn about the creatures we share this planet with. Ascend now to the breathtaking heights of the Ethiopian highlands, to a world of Afro-alpine meadows and towering peaks. Here, amidst the clouds, roams the rarest canid on Earth, the Ethiopian wolf. With its long legs and slender build, it is perfectly adapted to life at high altitudes. Its striking red coat and white chest make it a vision of fiery beauty against the backdrop of the Ethiopian sky. Unlike other wolf species, the Ethiopian wolf primarily preys on rodents, particularly the giant mole rat. Its elongated muzzle and slender teeth are perfectly designed for extracting these burrowing creatures from their underground lairs. The Ethiopian wolf, a symbol of the unique biodiversity of the African continent, faces an uncertain future. Habitat loss and disease threaten its already precarious existence. Conservation efforts are underway, but the challenges are immense. Section 7. The Himalayan Wolf, Guardian of the High Peaks. Our journey culminates in the Himalayas, the highest mountain range on Earth. Here, amidst the towering peaks and glaciers, resides the elusive Himalayan wolf, a creature of myth and mystery. Larger than the Ethiopian wolf, the Himalayan wolf possesses a thick, woolly coat that provides insulation against the extreme cold of its high-altitude home. Its coat color can range from pale cream to reddish brown, providing camouflage against the rocky terrain. The Himalayan wolf's diet consists primarily of wild ungulates, such as blue sheep and Himalayan tahr. It is a skilled hunter, capable of taking down prey much larger than itself, often working cooperatively in packs to bring down their quarry. Little is known about the behavior and ecology of this elusive predator. Its remote and challenging habitat makes it a difficult subject for study. But one thing is certain: the Himalayan wolf, a guardian of the high peaks, is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of life on Earth. Section 8. A world of diversity within the pack. We've journeyed from the frozen Arctic to the African highlands, from the forests of North America to the soaring Himalayas. We've encountered a stunning array of wolf species, each with its own unique story to tell. These stories underscore the remarkable diversity that exists within the Canidae family, a testament to the power of evolution to shape life in response to environmental pressures. But beyond their physical adaptations, wolves share a common thread: their unwavering loyalty to the pack, their intelligence, their vital role in maintaining ecological balance. As we delve deeper into the world of wolves, we'll uncover the secrets of their social structure, their communication, their hunting strategies. We'll explore the challenges they face in a rapidly changing world and the importance of conservation efforts to ensure their survival. The journey has just begun. Section 1. Architects of Balance. We've witnessed the breathtaking diversity of wolves from the frozen Arctic to the African highlands, but their story extends far beyond their physical adaptations. Wolves are not simply inhabitants of their ecosystems. They are architects, shaping and maintaining the delicate balance of life around them. For centuries, these apex predators have played a crucial role in regulating prey populations. Their presence, far from being a force of destruction, actually fosters biodiversity and ecosystem health. How can this be, you might ask? Imagine a world without wolves. Herbivore populations, unchecked, would explode, decimating vegetation and leading to overgrazing. The consequences would ripple through the entire food web, impacting everything from songbirds to soil quality. Wolves, with their innate ability to target the weak and sick, prevent this ecological collapse. They are the invisible hand that maintains equilibrium, ensuring the long-term health and resilience of their ecosystems. The relationship between wolves and their prey is often portrayed as a simple one, a relentless pursuit ending in a kill. But the reality is far more nuanced, a complex dance of adaptation and counter-adaptation honed over millennia. Wolves, with their keen senses and cooperative hunting strategies, are formidable predators. But their prey, too, have evolved defenses, from speed and agility to herding instincts and camouflage. This constant interplay between predator and prey drives natural selection, shaping the evolutionary trajectory of both. Wolves weed out the weak and sick, leaving behind stronger, more resilient prey populations. In turn, prey species evolve to better evade and outsmart their predators. This intricate dance, far from being a brutal struggle, is a testament to the interconnectedness of life. It is a reminder that every species, predator or prey, plays a vital role in the grand tapestry of nature. The impact of wolves extends far beyond their immediate prey. Their presence, or absence, creates a ripple effect that reverberates throughout the entire ecosystem, influencing everything from plant communities to the flow of rivers. Consider the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park in 1995. The return of this apex predator, after a 70-year absence, triggered a cascade of ecological changes that surprised even the most seasoned scientists. Elk populations, once overgrazing, declined, allowing willow and aspen trees to regenerate along riverbanks. This, in turn, stabilized the soil, preventing erosion and improving water quality. Beaver colonies, drawn to the abundance of willow, returned, creating new wetland habitats that supported a wealth of other species. The Yellowstone story is a powerful example of trophic cascades, where the presence of a top predator sets off a chain reaction that impacts every level of the ecosystem. It highlights the interconnectedness of nature and the vital role wolves play in maintaining biodiversity. Wolves are not just hunters. They are ecosystem engineers, shaping their environment in profound ways that extend far beyond their predatory role. Their very presence, their movements, their dens, all contribute to the health and diversity of their surroundings. Consider the carcasses left behind after a wolf kill. These provide a vital food source for scavengers, from ravens and eagles to bears and foxes. In fact, some species, like the wolverine, rely heavily on wolf kills for survival, particularly during harsh winters. Wolf dens, often dug into hillsides or under fallen trees, provide shelter not just for the wolves themselves, but also for other animals, such as foxes, rabbits, and even snakes. These dens, often reused over generations, become hotspots of biodiversity, enriching the surrounding habitat. The impact of wolves on their environment is multifaceted and often underestimated. They are not simply predators, they are keystone species, their presence shaping the very fabric of the ecosystems they inhabit. Section 5. Wolves and Humans, a complex relationship. The relationship between wolves and humans is a complex and often fraught one, marked by both admiration and fear, respect and persecution. For centuries, wolves have been woven into our myths and legends, inspiring both awe and terror. In some cultures, wolves are revered as symbols of strength, loyalty, and intelligence. Native American tribes, for example, often view wolves as spiritual guides and teachers, respecting their role in the natural order. In other societies, wolves have been demonized, portrayed as bloodthirsty killers and threats to livestock. This fear, often fueled by exaggeration and misinformation, has led to centuries of persecution, driving wolves to the brink of extinction in many parts of their former range. The truth, as always, lies somewhere in between these extremes. Wolves are wild animals, driven by instinct and the need to survive. They are neither inherently good nor evil, but rather complex creatures deserving of our understanding and respect. In Section 6, the cultural significance of wolves. Across cultures and throughout history, wolves have held a prominent place in human storytelling, mythology, and art. Their haunting howls, their social structure, their prowess as hunters, all have captured our imaginations, inspiring both fear and admiration. In Native American cultures, wolves are often associated with loyalty, strength, and guidance. They are seen as protectors and teachers, their spirits revered and honored. Many tribes have origin stories that involve wolves, further solidifying their spiritual significance. In Norse mythology, wolves are powerful figures, often associated with chaos and destruction, but also with courage and loyalty. The god Odin, for example, is accompanied by two wolves, Geri and Freki, who represent hunger and greed. The monstrous wolf Fenrir, on the other hand, is prophesied to devour Odin during Ragnarok, the end of the world. From ancient cave paintings to modern literature and film, wolves continue to captivate our imaginations, serving as powerful symbols of the wild, the unknown, and the complex relationship between humanity and nature. Section 7. Guardians of the Wild. As we've seen, wolves are far more than just predators. They are architects of balance, ecosystem engineers, and cultural icons. Their presence or absence has profound implications for the health and biodiversity of our planet. Yet, despite their ecological importance, wolves continue to face numerous threats. Habitat loss, fragmentation, and human-wildlife conflict have driven them to the brink of extinction in many parts of their former range. The future of wolves depends on our understanding, our respect, and our willingness to coexist. Conservation efforts, such as habitat protection, anti-poaching patrols, and public education, are crucial for ensuring their survival. Wolves are guardians of the wild, a reminder of the interconnectedness of life and the importance of preserving biodiversity. Their haunting howls, echoing through the wilderness, are a call to action, urging us to protect these magnificent creatures and the ecosystems they call home. Wolves beyond the obvious. We've explored the diverse species of wolves, their ecological roles, and their cultural significance. Now let's delve into the realm of the extraordinary. Prepare to be amazed by their hidden depths and surprising behaviors. Did you know wolves can cover astonishing distances in a single day? Some have been recorded covering over 100 miles in a day. This endurance allows them to patrol vast territories and track migrating prey. And what about their incredible strength? All wolves possess a bite force far exceeding that of domestic dogs. This powerful bite allows them to bring down prey much larger than themselves. Wolves are highly intelligent animals, capable of problem solving. They adapt their hunting strategies to overcome challenges. Their social interactions reveal a depth of complexity and communication. Join us as we uncover the secrets that make wolves truly remarkable creatures. Sensory superstars. A world of smell and sound. Imagine stepping into the world of a wolf, where senses are heightened to an almost unimaginable degree. Their world is a symphony of smells, a chorus of sounds, painting a vivid picture of their surroundings. Their sense of smell is phenomenal, with over 200 million scent receptors. Imagine smelling a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Wolves can hear sounds at frequencies far beyond human hearing. Their ears act like finely tuned antennas, pinpointing the faintest sound. The language of wolves, howls, barks, and body talk. Wolves possess a sophisticated communication system using vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Let's decode this intricate language. Howls rally pack members, defend territory, and strengthen social bonds. Wolves also use barks, growls, and whimpers. Body language is crucial, with dominant and submissive cues. Scent marking conveys identity, territory, and status. The intricate social structure of wolf packs. Wolves are highly social animals living in tightly knit family groups known as packs, governed by a complex social hierarchy and a strong sense of cooperation. At the helm is the alpha pair, who hold the dominant breeding rights. Cooperation is key to survival. Strong social bonds make wolves successful predators and enduring symbols of family. Section 5. Myths debunked, separating fact from fiction about wolves. For centuries, wolves have been shrouded in myth and misinformation, often portrayed as bloodthirsty villains lurking in the shadows. It's time to separate fact from fiction, dispelling some of the most common myths surrounding these often misunderstood creatures. One of the most pervasive myths is that wolves are indiscriminate killers, slaughtering prey for sport. In reality, wolves are highly efficient predators, targeting primarily the weak, sick, or injured individuals within a prey population. This natural culling process actually benefits the overall health and resilience of prey species. Another common misconception is that wolves are a threat to humans. While wolf attacks on humans have occurred, they are exceedingly rare, particularly in North America. Wolves by nature are wary of humans and typically avoid confrontation. The myth of the lone wolf is another misconception. While wolves can and do disperse from their natal packs to establish new territories, they are inherently social animals and thrive in the company of their pack mates. The lone wolf is often an individual who has been displaced or is searching for a mate. It's crucial to base our understanding of wolves on scientific evidence rather than on fear and folklore. By dispelling these myths, we can foster a more informed and compassionate view of these remarkable creatures. Section 6. Wolves and the Future: Conservation, Coexistence, and Hope. What does the future hold for these magnificent creatures? The answer is complex and multifaceted. Once widespread, wolves have been eradicated from much of their range. Yet their story is far from over. Conservation efforts offer hope. Reintroduction programs have shown remarkable comebacks. But conservation goes beyond reintroduction. Addressing habitat fragmentation and human-wildlife conflict is crucial. Education and coexistence strategies ensure long-term survival. The future of wolves depends on our willingness to share the landscape. By embracing coexistence, we can ensure the wolf's howl continues. As we reach the end of our journey into the majestic world of wolves, we find ourselves forever changed. The echoes of their howls linger in our ears, a haunting reminder of the wild spirit that burns within these extraordinary creatures. What began as an exploration of their physical characteristics and geographical distribution has transformed into a profound appreciation for their intelligence, their social complexity, and their vital role in the intricate web of life. We've ventured from the frozen wastelands of the Arctic to the high peaks of the Himalayas, encountering a breathtaking diversity of wolf species, each uniquely adapted to its environment. We've witnessed their mastery as hunters, their unwavering loyalty to the pack, and their surprising tenderness as parents. And we've come to understand that far from being the bloodthirsty villains of folklore, wolves are essential threads in the tapestry of nature, their presence shaping and sustaining the ecosystems they inhabit. But our journey has also revealed the fragility of their existence. Hunted, persecuted, and driven from their homes, wolves stand at a crossroads, their fate intertwined with our own. The choices we make today will determine whether their haunting howls continue to echo through the wilderness or fade into silence, leaving behind a world diminished by their absence. The howl of the wolf resonates deep within the human soul. It speaks of untamed landscapes and ancient rhythms. It's a call to action, urging us to protect this wildness. Conservation is about safeguarding entire ecosystems. Protecting wolves means protecting the forests, rivers, and air. Each of us has a role in this effort. Support organizations, advocate for coexistence, and educate. Small actions can contribute to a healthier planet. The time for complacency is over. Rise to the challenge and ensure the howl of the wolf continues. Section 3. Wolves, a legacy worth preserving. The legacy of wolves extends far beyond their physical presence. They are woven into our cultures, etched into our art, literature, and mythology. From Norse legends to Native American traditions, wolves embody the power and fragility of nature. These stories remind us we are part of nature's tapestry. The fate of wolves is linked to our own, recognizing their intrinsic value. Preserving wolves safeguards a legacy passed through generations. The howl of the wolf calls us to protect the wildness that remains. Embrace our role as stewards of the earth, coexisting as fellow travelers. Protecting wolves, protecting ourselves. The plight of wolves reminds us of unprecedented environmental challenges. Climate change and habitat loss threaten countless species and humanity. Protecting wolves safeguards our future and indicates healthy ecosystems. Our fate is linked to the natural world. Protecting wolves is about saving ourselves. Section 5, The Spirit of the Wolf, a source of inspiration. Throughout our journey, we've encountered countless examples of the wolf's incredible resilience, adaptability, and unwavering loyalty to the pack. These qualities, so deeply ingrained in their nature, serve as a source of inspiration for us as we navigate the complexities of our own lives. The wolf's ability to thrive in the face of adversity, to adapt to changing environments, and to work together for the good of the pack reminds us that even in the darkest of times, hope and strength can be found in unity, perseverance, and a deep connection to the natural world. In a world often characterized by division and discord, the wolf's unwavering loyalty to its pack offers a powerful message of the importance of community, cooperation, and shared purpose. Their ability to communicate effectively, to resolve conflict, and to work together towards a common goal serves as a model for building stronger, more resilient communities. As we face the challenges of the 21st century, let us draw inspiration from the spirit of the wolf. Let their resilience fuel our determination, their loyalty inspire our compassion, and their connection to the wild remind us of the importance of protecting the natural world that sustains us all. Section 6. Until we meet again, continuing the exploration. Our journey into the world of wolves may be coming to an end, but the quest for knowledge, understanding, and appreciation for the natural world is an ongoing adventure. The more we learn about these fascinating creatures, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. From ongoing research into wolf behavior and ecology to conservation efforts aimed at protecting their future, there are countless opportunities to stay engaged and make a difference. We can support organizations dedicated to wolf conservation, participate in citizen science projects, and spread awareness about the importance of coexistence. The world of wolves is full of wonder, beauty, and inspiration. It's a world worth exploring, appreciating, and protecting. As we bid farewell for now, let us carry with us the lessons we've learned, the awe we've experienced, and the determination to ensure that the howl of the wolf continues to echo through the wilderness for generations to come. Until we meet again in the wild, may the spirit of the wolf guide your steps and inspire your heart. The journey continues,